Good morning, everyone. This is Matt, Castle Farmstead. Today's Good Friday. So I've been preparing all week since we had this quarantine, so I've had plenty of time to get ready. But once the kids are up, we have some breakfast. We all gonna come out and plant the garden. But I drained our pond. It's just been a muddy mess. I filled it up as soon as I dug it. I'm gonna line it with some topsoil, maybe even plant it to kind of hold the soil together until it compacts. Then I'm gonna fill it back up so it'll be a semi-clean pond that I can put fish and stuff in. But it has overflow in it, and I got a spigot right up to it. Thought about putting a little fountain, kind of keep the water aerated because it's not huge. But I think it's deep enough to stay cool. Hey, pigs! But I'll show you. I'll show you what we're gonna plant today. I'm gonna set the camera up when I have the kids out here. Hey, goats! Yesterday I put my fence up, my Premier One fence. Just out here, let the chickens free range, get some grass. Maybe let them out. Can't remember if I cut the harder on last night or not. Yeah, I did. Oh. Hey, chickens. Hey, chickens. Hey, Ricky Lucy. I can't let these out because little Ricky there, he thinks he's 10 foot tall and bulletproof, and he fights them big roosters, and they whoop his butt. I'm gonna come in here today planting cucumbers. And all this. We rode up. Just one little thing to do every day. Keep them eggs so clean. We're gonna pick. I gotta go find my hoe. I've learned. Eat it up, eat it up. One thing I've learned about these pigs, it might be different for other people, but for me, these 3 pigs were like the perfect pigs. Then I brought the other 3 and pinned them up beside these 3, which made these 3 started getting loud every time food come around. And they eat fast. I think they think the other pigs gonna eat their food. And these done created a habit of whining every time I come around because they learning from those pigs whining. So once all these are baking, I think what I'm gonna do the next go around is probably only have one group at a time, maybe 2 and 2. Or heck, not only have 1 and 1. Fatten them up. I know they'd grow a lot faster if I had less. But yeah. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. What y'all think about all this madness? Hey, baby goats. Hey, baby goats. Hey, baby goats. Y'all want me to go? There you go. Burn it up. Go. Go. There you go. Go, Sarah. Go. All right, Nanny. Go eat it up. Go. How you doing, girl? Huh? We don't. Go get him. Go ahead. You still cautious about that fence line, ain't you? They love them tree limbs. Yep, it's a nuddin. But that plant's told. All right, boys, y'all ready to plant?
Yeah! Well, here's the good thing. This is the good thing about Good Friday because Jesus died on the cross for our sins.
Yep. And then in 3 days, what happens?
Good Friday,
Or
so
2 days. What happens in 2 days?
He
On Easter.
He dies on the cross for our sins.
And then they put him in a tomb.
And then
on Easter, he
rose up
Yep.
from the dead.
That's right. Matthew.
What?
You ready to plant this garden?
Yes, I'm ready.
What are we planting first?
We're planting okra.
Okras.
Then
Here, we put our little holes in.
Here.
All right, y'all put 1 seed in each hole. Then we're gonna plant squash and stuff.
Okay.
Start. Wait, no, you got this. Everybody does.
Do that one at the end.
Right here.
Matthew, you the supervisor? Huh? You the supervisor? These kids. You the supervisor?
Yeah. Something's stuck in your garden.
Yeah, there's all kind of sticks and stuff in there because it's new. Next year to get softer and softer.
No, it's down a gym.
All right, go, go. That's my 3-row planter. Turn around and look. I'll get a picture.
That is a big fire.
Let me put some toast in.
No, don't do that.
You can't come.
Yeah.
Boy, you building a fire. Hold now.
Oh, now! Hold.
We're riding Mars. Matthew. Easter from the tomb. Going to catch some shell crackers.
Yep.
Out here fishing in the swamp. Pretty cypress trees.
For both of y'all to sit there. Scoot over. And you both can prop your feet up on the cord. Scoot over now.
soon as I pump it out, spring's gonna fill it right back up. Charger's gonna like this.